All right, I'm going to show you guys how we just automatically, any ball python we get in our collection, we just assume they have mites and we treat them. Uh, Typically, we do 3 weeks in a row. So every seventh day times 3 treatments. Uh, we use Nixs lice treatment shampoo, and it comes in a little, I think it might be like a 4 or 8 ounce bottle, but it's the only size they come in. You mix that in a gallon of distilled water, shake it up real good, and then it can sit on the shelf for like a year. Anyways, I've got some in here. So I'm going to spray a little bit on this tub, like that. And then I'll just kind of wipe this out a little. It's a clean tub that the snake's going to go in. Then I'll take a paper liner, put it in here. We've got some water here, lukewarm water where our snake's been soaking. We like to let our snake soak for about 5 minutes. And then we'll take him out, kind of push the clean water off of him a little. I'll take that same rag and give it a good coating here. I'm almost out of my Nixs solution. So I got that pretty damp. Now I'm going to start at the head. They don't usually like getting it on the head. Start at the head and just slowly work down the snake. Try and cover the whole snake. What we've found is you just assume that your snake that you bring home has mites, because when you have several snakes, it's way easier to treat a couple snakes and keep them isolated for about 3 weeks than it is to find out later that your whole collection's infected. You do that once or twice, and then you start doing it this way. So now he's all wiped down. So I'll leave the water bowl out of here for about 24 hours. And tomorrow I'll come in, I'll change the paper, put clean paper in there, put fresh water in, and then he's good to go. And that's it.